Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to see recently deleted photos and let me show you how to restore them. So let's start by opening the gallery. Here from the gallery, let's use these three dots in that corner. Choose here recently deleted items. As you can see, here we've got access to the recently deleted items. The phone is saving them for 60 days. So if you would like to restore one of them, let's just tap it and choose this icon. The phone is processing and restoring the following photo. You can also choose this icon, the trash icon, to delete it permanently. Tap me delete, and that's it. You can also delete all of them if you would like to by using this icon here. Some bug is popping up, but let me do it again. Tap delete, and that's it. You just delete all recently deleted items permanently. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.